especially in classics. Low mile 2003 Ford Thunderbird convertible. This particular car does have the hardtop that you can see in the background, and then it would have the black cloth power convertible top, and of course convertible down. 3 ways to ride with this particular car. When I say low miles, a little over 28,000 original miles on it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. As far as color, this would be dark shadow gray metallic. And you can see paint shows nice on this one. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front chrome, front fascia. This dark shadow gray metallic interior is paired up with the saddle leather interior. And we'll get around to starting this up, letting you hear it run, checking out the engine bay. But if you want to check out the still pictures first, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. So 3 T-Birds, just a blast to drive. And one of the things is they upped their horsepower from 02 by about 30 horsepower. So this one has 280 horse and 280 pound-feet of torque. So for this size car, 2003, sporty, fun car to drive and be seen in chrome wheels. Those are the factory chrome wheels. Of course, you see V8 there. There'd be a 3.9 liter underneath the hood. Here's that saddle interior, center console. Of course, it came with an automatic. The select shift would be an option, and this one does have the select shift, as well as heated seats. You can see the parade boot to the convertible cover boot back here. That will also go with the car. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also nicely equipped, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold. I mentioned the power top, the heated seats. Very nicely equipped luxury convertibles when they were made. This is also going to come with a car cover. And then, of course, I mentioned the hard tops. When you put it on, it had the portholes like the later baby birds did. No, the stand will not go with it. Sorry about that. That stand is here for basically display purposes when I need it for cars like this. Top will be shipped on the car. Once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Adult owned and driven, again, clean Carfax, and you can tell the car was stored inside, well taken care of. It's just very clean considering the age of this car already. All right, here's that saddle interior. Let me pull that key 1 second. Meanwhile, take a look at the door. We do have power windows, power locks. Trunk release would be down there. You can check out a little data sticker that's going to have your options on it and the VIN. That can be seen in the still pictures. As you can see, power seat here on the driver's side. It's one of these cars, floor mats on the floor mats, so the cloth floor mats are underneath there. You can see those in the still pictures. You're also going to see not much for wear on the bolster of this leather seat, which reflects the clean Carfax and only a little over 28,000 miles on this one. Also has the AM/FM 6 CD changer in dash. Of course, power mirrors, cruise control, your steering wheel controls for radio, and that where the cruise control settings and buttons would be also. All right, let's go ahead and start this up. Let you hear it run. We'll check out the dash, exact miles. 3.9. I haven't really noticed any modifications to it as far as exhaust or anything like that. 28,246. That is original miles. Once again, clean Carfax. I think the first owner had this car for 11, 12 years. Go ahead, take a peek at top of the dash. No cracking, aging, anything like that. Interior, again, what you'd expect for a 28,000 original model car. No warning indicators or lights or anything like that on. All that is a seatbelt, since I didn't slip the seatbelt down when I got in here to do the video. So there you go, everything on the interior. Let's go ahead and slip around to the rear of this car so you can hear it run. Like I said, everything that I've been able to see in here on this, pretty much stock. I haven't really noticed any major modifications. Sounds good. All right, I'm going to pause this 1 second, pop the hood, and check out this engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. All right, first off, take a look at this hood liner. Check out how clean that is. And I don't think this car has ever been driven in any sort of inclement weather, and that would reflect how clean and tidy and nice this engine bay looks also. Again, that 3.9 liter V8. Horsepower was bumped from 2002 up about 30 horse, 280 horsepower in this one. Clean Carfax, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Really speaks for what it is with the low miles. One thing I did remember, I want to show you the convertible tops. So I'm going to close this hood up. Let's run the cloth black top up. Check that out. I want to show you the kind of condition everything that's into. Then we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here it is with the top up. First of all, you can see nice and snug, tight up front. Also around the glass side windows. And really no rips, tears, holes, anything like that. Fabric top, glass rear window like this. There's just a couple specks on it from it being down and then coming back up. Rear glass, rear defogger. It's what you expect. A little over 28,000 miles in the car at the top. Again, conditioning is spec. This is just a little bit of dust that was on there from when I got put down and put back up. Clean right off. 2003 Ford Thunderbird. Don't forget you have the other top back there. So you got the hard top, soft top, and no top. Cloth top is power, and again, a little over 28,000 miles. 2003 T-Bird. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.